Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. I'm going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut headlight tint for this. What year is this thing? 16? Yeah. 16 Ford Mustang. It fits some other years. Do you know what other years it fit? 15 to 17? That's what it fits apparently. This is the dark smoke film that's already applied. I'm going to be showing you the gloss black film, and that fly is actually our pet fly. It has a lot of friends around here too. So you might see some flies in the video. But these are dry application films, so no need for a slip solution. Prior to installation, make sure the vehicle is clean in that area and wipe it down with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. The only tool you'll be needing for today is a heat gun or a hair dryer. You could use a squeegee. I have a vinyl wrapping glove on, but you could also just use your fingertips too. A squeegee might come in handy actually for the top and the bottom, because you sort of have that gap in there that you got to push the material into. So I'm going to pull this one off and then show you what the gloss black looks like on this. So as far as the alignment, you want to go a little bit past the light towards the back end, get that tacked, and then you sort of want to center this, working your way towards the front. Then you can go ahead and start to heat the film. I'm going to just work the top and the bottom section separately. So I sort of have this center section already pushed down. So once you have everything worked down on the front face of the light, you could heat the top and bottom section and just push that material into the gap between the headlight and the fender. Then after installing, you just want to go over the film one more time with the heat source. Don't show anything that you missed as far as, you know, air trapped behind the material. It does help to seat the adhesive a little bit better. And that's the install on this product. If you're interested in this or anything else we have for this vehicle, the link for that is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.